Okay, so today, thought I'd bring you somewhere special. Something that sounds like what you can probably already hear. You can guess what it is. This is the halfway point. We've still got a long way to go. I was planning today to start this video back at the hotel. We got up at 6:30, I think it was, the alarm went off. I had to be out by 7:30. 3-hour bus ride to here. Problem was, I had this and a bad stomach, so I nearly called it off. I've already been to it twice. That was before the bus. Now, 3-hour bus ride with no toilet and no stops. I made it, just about. I feel much better now. I just don't have any food just in case. I think we're about to get wet. So this is the Ouzoud waterfall, which is the highest waterfall in Northern Africa. You can see it's quite big, quite impressive, worth a look. If you ever do come down here, make sure you go on the boat as well. You get off, it costs about £4, which is about 40, so just under £4 is not bad really. What do you think, mate, of the waterfall so far? She says it's very impressive. Better than Iceland waterfall. Warmer than Iceland anyway. I'd also like to add as well, when I was feeding the monkey, Becky didn't tell me that I might get rabies from it and not to touch the monkeys, which apparently was told on the bus, but I wasn't feeling too well. I wasn't really paying that much attention, so hopefully I haven't got rabies anyway. That would be one thing to come back from an holiday from, wouldn't it? 600 steps, but a lot easier on the way down. Oh, donkeys. You are. Yeah, so, good place to check out. If you can get a tour here, I wouldn't like driving on my own and coming on my own, but yeah, worth a visit. Full day trip. We're going to a cave after here as well, so hopefully that'll be good and not too dark for the camera. So, anything like that, Ben? I'm donkey down there. He's like drinking. Made it back to the top of the meeting point. Just waiting to go to the toilets. The toilets, he said, was in a hotel. This is the hotel. You've got your toilet, where Becky is. You've got your sink. And you've got your beds. Very nice. I think it'll be a bit warm at night though. I'm sweating. Just in case you need a shower while you're here, because you're sweating. This is your shower. And that's your toilet. Cave down here somewhere. Just heading down now to have a look at it. It's too hot. We stopped off at a cave now, which is part of the tour. Didn't really know we were going on the cave tour until we got here, or until he said at the start. So I'm feeling too good. Went for a meal, had no food. Been to it again though. But I think I'm trying to get there really, because my stomach's killing me. Keep falling asleep on the bus, so yeah. See you next time. Subscribe.